we have discussed in previous session also that suppose now I have a column or data where it is written as ship mode, right, and we have in ship mode, that is the second class, right, and you can see that everywhere like it is second class, standard class, that means this two sentence has been split by a space, right. Now, I want know give me the data based on the different two, class should be in one because all are class, and I want because second part is common. So, why I want common details? Only I want which is second, which is standard. So, based on that, how you can do that? Yes, we can do that. To do this one, you have to split the data, right. So, you have to click on here, right, and you can see there is a several option, there is two things called as split and custom split. So, why there are two things is there, split and custom split. The default split, it will split your data based on the space is given in the, like any data space is there, you can split it. Based on custom, that means someone has given hyphen, someone has given semicolon, someone has given comma, someone has given any other indication for the two different sentence, then you can split based on custom split. So, I want now to split based on this. So, I will just click on that and I will click on split. It's got splitted. Where to see that? So, if you come towards completely towards the right side, you can see here my data is splitted into two, that is the ship mode split 1, ship mode split 2, you can see that second and it is splitted easily, right. So, this split is happened. Now, I can split any data whichever wherever the space are there, it will get splitted. Now, suppose I do not want this column, right, it is no use, then similarly you have to just, you cannot split back, you can just click on and click the delete, that is all. Only this you can do that, you cannot do like back to the original one. Now, if you talk about just now, again we will come back to our same data, okay, ship mode, or you can see here the next one, the customer ID, right. So, the customer ID we have, that is you can see that I have CG and hyphen and then it is some number. I want number to be a specific, CG, that is the name, state name, I think so, they have given a state code. I want to split because it is based on hyphen, right. So, what you have to do? Just click on that and click custom split, okay. And how you want? You can see that we have the option, how should this data be split, that means how you want. So, that means you can see there I have a hyphen. So, they have given the option, use the separator. What separator? Hyphen, comma, semicolon, whatever there in the data, that based on that you can split it. So, you can see that I have a hyphen, I will give hyphen, and then you can see that here a split off, what you want? A split last, a split all, or a split first. So, based on this, like you want to split last, that means the first one separately, you want to split everything, that also you can do that, you want to split the first part or last part, that you can do that accordingly based on that, right. And you just click on as of now first or last, whatever, you just see that how details, I will click OK. You can see that still that you cannot see here, you have to scroll your rows, that means slider towards the right side. You can see that what I did split first, that means whatever in the left hand side data is there, all the data has come. If I choose last, only right side of hyphen, whatever there, that will be into the column, and if you want to select all, then all split will happen. So, you can, I will delete as of now this, okay, I will go back, okay, let me this product ID only, I will click on that, I will go with the custom split, and you can see here what happened in this data sets, in data set this we have 2 hyphen, right. So, how you want first or all, we want all, let it give the hyphen split of the all, sorry, select all and click on OK. Okay. The moment you give OK, again come back towards the right side, you have to scroll. You can see that, right. So, the product is splitted into 3 different categories, right. One is a split 1, a split 2, a split 3. If you want to rename, you can rename based on your usage, you can do that one, right. So, you can see that. So, I had 2 different hyphen, that means 2 hyphen in the product. Okay. Where is, you can see we have 2 hyphen in the product. So, based on this 2 hyphen, it has been splitted into 3 different column, right, clear. Okay. So, hope it is clear, right. So, you can split, custom split, you can do that. If you want, you can keep the data, if you do not want, you can delete, sorry, I am deleting the main data. Okay. Same way, if you want to delete, just click on that and delete. Okay. I am back to the my original the data sets, right.